So, this is my second video. Last one ended when I was doing the drifting because I paused it on accident. But, well, I didn't pause it. I kind of did something on accident. But what you want, I was just like minding my own business. What you want for Sean's car is to get the Sultan RS. Look up some YouTube videos of where it spawns because I don't want to, do stuff like that. Like drive all the way out there for no reason. But you're gonna want this vehicle. I already have it, but I was just getting it just for the sake of it because I kind of want this vehicle again. Because like I want to have a vehicle that I want to customize like for my own purpose. And so that because I have a Tokyo Drift garage. That's where I'm going to. Like I'm gonna start making like all of the cars that you've seen in Tokyo Drift soon. This is just to help me go around to get to the garage so you know what vehicle it is, because mine's already upgraded and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have a Sultan RS, then you're in luck, but if you don't, then you just have to go around looking for them. So I used to do all the time. So basically, this is the vehicle. I will show you the vehicles right now once my thing loads in. So pause the video. Alright, so it's loaded. So what do I have with this? This is a lowrider vehicle that I had. I don't know why I have that. So this is DK's GTR from the beginning of the thing, and I tried to make his friends. I forget what his name is, but I tried to make his friend 350 OZ. And this is DK's girlfriend's car. Right here. I tried to make it, didn't look too good. Then this is this is Han's Skyline from the beginning of the thing. This is just a drift car that I had. And I think some of them are blowing up.
Morse Mutual.
Yep.
We're here to help. I'll look into it.
Here's one of my numbers. And there's my Sultan. Here. So you're going to want this for his car, which is Sean's car. Right here. And same wheels as Han's wheels. They all have the same wheels. Literally same exact wheels. And then just go to the very last wing and stuff like that. And just go for red on classic for the color. And for this guy, you have to go to get the same rims as him. When you buy the LG, you should have literally that spoiler if you buy it. It's the stock wing, and what you do is put the atomic tires on it. Same with that, and then you get the wheels that same as Tons and the Sean's. And you get the color. The color is metallic graphite for secondary and primary. I gotta go sell some vehicles. I might sell this thing right here. Yeah, I'm selling a lot of these right now. Well, I'm gonna get my Banshee. Where am I going? So when my Banshee arrives here, oh yeah, if you want to get the Banshee, the Dodge Viper, you just have to go down here, and just for so you don't have to buy the topless one, just get the topless. Okay. Order it in red. So, hey guys, so my Banshee has finally arrived. I bought some other cars that you were gonna be needing. Yeah. Oh, that's one of the. No, it's not. I thought that was one for a second. It's you need the Vigoro and the denominator. My Vigoro is at my garage. The Vigoro is the thing that races the Banshee and ends up kind of winning. Alright, go customize it. So, armor, I'll just do it like that. Brakes, yeah, because they weren't drifting. Front bumper, did not get that. Engine, all the way. Exhaust, best you can have. Hood, he had this hood right here. I'm just gonna put my horn as for the sleeve, plate how it was when you got it, if it's white. For the, you want classic red, and for secondary, classic red. Just like that. Guys, I have to look up a picture of it. Hey guys, so I got the picture. It's actually kind of not as like it. He had the. It doesn't look like his bumper at all. Oh. Alright, so what he had for it is he has like a. Where's the hood? Oh. Kind of had this. Not really. Looks more like this in the picture. Alright, I'm gonna go for spoiler. I think he had like a. No, he didn't. He didn't even have a spoiler. Suspension, that. Transmission. And wheels, which what he went for is he went for sport, chrome, and he went for these ones right here. The synthetic Z. Shorties. I'm just gonna go for red. Huh. So guys, this is his vehicle. Okay, I'll be right back while I get the other vehicles. Alright guys, so in the video what I did is for the brakes I want like that, well, armor, brakes, engine, exhaust, explosives, hood. I think it's like leave the hood how it is. Horn, do whatever you want. Lights over that. Plate. He had this one. Respray. Crap, it doesn't have a secondary. Go to matte. Take a color like. Kind of looks like that color. I'm gonna go for the ice white. What it kind of looks like. Oh yeah, metallic. Plate. What's the primary color? Alright guys, I gotta go right now. So this is the third video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Boy, never mind. My dad is actually just, I'm not allowed to be playing right now, but my dad is actually just loading up his van right now. So I got so freaked out for nothing. See, loading up the van. Okay. So back to this. What if he ends up coming in? I'm gonna have to, Alright, then go for roll cage. Just get the roll cage. Spoiler. I don't think he had one. No, he didn't have one. Suspension, just drop it down. Transmission, get it. Turbo, get it. Wheels, type. Muscle, he had chrome. And they were Dukes. And custom bulletproof. Just keep it on white. No wheelie bar. Okay. This is his car from the beginning of the movie.